What's up, everyone? You probably can't see me very well. It's a bit dark under here, but I'm trying to figure out what parts of the brake lines we need changing. I suppose it is a bit rusted out. Okay, see if I can show you. So those two pipes there, they go all the way over the tank, right down to the front. I think he wants me to change it from here, this whole section. So that is great. I thought the oily bits were over with. Oh, I'm gonna try and get back out again now. Jesus Christ. Not gonna lie, no part of me wants to be lying under this van right now doing this, but I don't know how much it'd cost in a garage. We'll have a go, we'll have a go. How hard can it be, eh? How hard can it be? Slight panic then. I actually thought I was stuck. I had to do a 180 underneath. Yeah, that's not going to work. I'm going to need to raise it up a bit somehow. So you can get these wheels in the air, make it a bit easier. Because this axle is so close to the ground, I just squeezed through this gap here and then I couldn't turn round. Oh dear. Tell you what, f this. The weather's really nice and I can't be arsed to lie on the floor right now. So let's do something else for a bit. This is what we need. Bit of shitty MOT news. Go and relieve a bit of stress on the crosser for a bit. Oh, this is the worst bit for these bikes, the road part. I just feel like I'm destroying my tyres. They get nicely warmed up. Oh, it's so bumpy. There's a little lane just up here. So cheap as well, for the amount of fun you can have on these things. Oh, is there someone walking their dog? I don't want to get too fast down here because you always end up meeting someone. Oh, I love it. What a beast. And if you're wondering, yes, this is completely road legal. It's registered, number plate, I'm insured, blah blah blah. It just doesn't have any lights, indicators, speedo or anything. Really hard to change gear. I think I need to move the gear lever up a couple of notches. Probably going to run out of fuel. Might just go back, you know. In fact, that's what I'm going to do, because I don't want to end up running out in the middle of nowhere. If you're wondering, the gas EC250, I think it's quite old. It's like
2000 or 99, something like that. It's plenty quick enough off-road. Obviously it's shit on the road, but that's not the point, is it? I need to get a trailer actually for the van. Then I'll be able to go to some much cooler places. Obviously doing anything more than about 5 miles on the road on this is pretty grim. The old hand signal. Woo! There you go then, eh? Look at that front brake disc warp. When you brake it's like, oh yeah. Don't even know if the camera's still recording, should probably check. Woo! Did we get a rag on? Oh look, people. Oh. Just got to stay quite loose. Woo. Bit of water. Oh. Oh, whoa. Oi. Push. Ah. Hey. Oh. Aches your wrist when you don't ride it very often. That is quite big. If we can get out that way. Fuck. Can we get out of here? We can. Oi. The problem with these bikes, they don't have any stands. You got it. Cheers for that. Oh, fucking did me in, that did. Whew. Right, let's get back. Oh, feet are all covered in shit. Hey.
And we're back after the razzing. Just came back in, straight under the van. Got these brake lines off. Seems a bit better now. What the crack is. And this is obviously where it's failed. Down the other ends will be a bad here, look. Ooh. Nice. on this side, towards the front of the van, it's not too bad, but I might as well just change the whole thing, and seems daft not to really. So I ended up pulling the van all the way out the drive onto the hard block paving, so it was a bit easier to get underneath. But yeah. Oh, we've got a leak. Oh, shit. Well, I'm going to do it now. Carry on with them tomorrow, I think. Still not got the bloody pump for that thing. Not turned up yet. I'll give the eBay seller one more day. I've sent them a video, and if they don't come up with a solution, then I'll let you all know how shit they are. Yeah, that's about it for today, I think. I got work soon, so probably need to give the bike a little wash, I think. She's a bit messed up, but there it is. If you're interested, seeing it full. I don't know if you guys like bikes or what, but I do, so they're going on my channel. Let's get this guy going as well. This is my little GPZ. Probably take that out soon. Needs an MOT though. You know how much I love MOTs.